Yeah, welcome to the new channel, Wash Wrench Garage. My name is Greg O'Day. Everybody calls me Geo. The channel I decided to start because on my main channel, it was doing automotive uh, repairs, and it just didn't fall into the niche of that channel, which is an outdoors channel. I'll leave the link or card or link. Put the card up here and link down below so you can go check that out if you feel that you will want to. But the channel is mostly all about automotive repairs, upgrades. I do work on everything and anything. As you can see, I got a 1968 Triumph 500cc hardtail bobber, old rat bike, and a 1975 Triumph Spitfire, which we are doing a preservation on. It's not really a restoration, but a preservation, just to get it to where you can drive it and be safe about it. We've been doing the suspension, some welding on the floor pans where it's rusting through, some electrical. So you can go and check out the videos, which will be coming out pretty regularly. I have about 30 videos that I'm migrated from the main channel to this channel. They will be dropping a couple videos a couple times a week. So we're talking, I really haven't figured that out yet, but we're going to be dropping videos probably for the time being 3 times a week, a couple videos a day, every other day, because you want to let time for the algorithm to catch up and push them out to viewers. But yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of stuff. I have a boat which I do repairs on and upgrades. My wife's car, my car, my truck, my pickup truck. I have a camper, so we do a lot of camping stuff on the other channel. But anything to do with upgrades and repairs and stuff like that, I do work on family members' vehicles, so you'll be seeing some of that. Some of my older videos are vehicles that I have owned and have repaired on, but don't own no more because I moved on. We're talking over the last few years. But welcome to the channel. I really do appreciate you all stopping in, checking it out. Like I said, if you want, you can go over and check out my main channel, which the description will be down below. I do have a vlog channel that I'll also put in the description. And I hope you stick around for the journey. Thank you. We'll see you all later.